episode for GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Ahade latest and hot news. Nkwa enamede bramo. Enuti so nyan subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. The obe an say obe click the subscribe button. Na wa bele notification. We understand new video be upload no. When the first person won sa ebe kan sa video. Afi we na wa like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fi shema Ofori Atta when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memu ha afi yenhwe ensemo abeto yepno so yenti sa report ya ababetudwa yenti sansemi
after transition handing over after we ni hwe bia president Mahama we ni Jack Toronto ni hwe bia he said I know be bia I was afoti and the course of Flagstaff as Jubilee House no and President Akufo Addo and T1 President Mahama nyina kasa na nyina is all about the transition team no adwuma wo so mu frase na enche omo be power hunting immigrations ceremony name ekoso Accra International Conference Center hono and eba be koso hono ye power hunting ma President Mahama ni team led by Honorable Julius Debra co-chairperson and Afenyo President Akufo Addo nso team so chief of staff Aremeyaw Pare and ono nso lead team no and also intienche bia no ye be ko conference center na de ekoso ho no ne dia ma na me wa last video bia e pese me bon after balloting no ekoso abene me hu Dr. Bawumia say osenko as a vice president die e osenko wo ho no mo e osenko team 2016 Bra President Mahama ne and Akufo Addo emiti ye no ye mu Dr. Papa Papa ye okay the queen so what they say former vice president emisata what wo ye hu emisata yankopon fa ne clearance ye no what wo President Mahama ni emisata te ho and as Dr. Bawumia said, I no any ajepa. Who could transition about the Sagan economy? Dear, oh, the Adijay of Wakwaje, but who contest now will lose support on the Wakadem. Who pay no as a hope at I am here. Honorable honorable oh hey Messi Abronye way one Abronye ne your friend is saying oh wusu bempa say go fari awa kumsi omo way chama wuntumi no abia che no awia no ho no ma so microphone dia se na nu akasa ehin na chama wuntumi hye yesi kumase wadwa na wayera chama wuntumi yesi kumase wayera be ma kadem be ma yira na bantima ni kai election be na bantima odododo na say bantima de safi bia mu wiem 4 years bia say o mu wiem o hwe wuntumi a wa form by force wa form papa o mami dan Kweku Yabuo se hwan mami ni video bi after balloting course so our electoral commission Bawumia ekoyi 1 ade a cheye awu kwasre poto saban de ya towi na eye beba efifiada efira no pa se waye ma enya kwasia na ne hu se waye ma omo kwasre twetwe saa ene ye betina ha no bia ne enkrofo aka media law and ethics professionalism ba sa enkrofo na so no okotie credible for a wo mo kan kwasasem kra sen ye enso wode hode no mani age omo kwasre poto sechere say Mahama mo NDC akoyi 8 nti omo lusu awie enti jase omo lusu awie kra omo lusu awie omo kosre sa ko ekotena ho sre esre pass omo sre ndc ni do Mahama yanko yenti
that's right. Na see into abebe results aba.
Oh, come is that the be. You realize.
Kaku go fama ni biam na you.
Oh, you realize. I think we see the first one me dey you. Ade bia wo hwe kwan sun so so no bra. Olu ko ki kasu. Mare die. Ade ye hwe kwan si we banda ni we banda. Na na results ya na bi.
Baby a che baby ni pan banda be so.
Wo go sin se dia ya no.
But your results, Mr.
Oh, come here. Results which are more and you have a cancer.
Your Kotuaba.
Then you come in your Kotuaba. Results were treating. Susan so. So I'm going to be no Susan. And I see a Susan so that the one of the can one.
It's you better count about 2 people.
Oh, then one.
So and almost and almost 3. Just say, who goes school now the first year, where the first? Who goes to 8 year, where the 8? Why, there's a worry. And design this for Akwa number 8 dear. And yeah, I grow up so if you Saturday, you may just send down up. Now, I'ma make it, sir, a shallow analysis way. Now, almost the now I'm supporters and She said, Bawumia, you number 1 dear and one no. Oh, NPP for him say, Obia kwa, ye friend will be any then they said President Mahama said and can you number 1 pa dear. And Kawuna best 67%. Said the nobody had Japan and we did the same number 1 dear. And one woman could dear Obia kwa to about the amount of Bawumia pa dear. And this said the Dr. Bawumia 41%. I'm a President Mahama at number 8. What's any past 7? And son, yes, and son, what drew President Mahama so number 80 dear. Say, President Mahama pan as Lotino ballot paper and what down number 1 pa dear. And President Mahama being 68%. And to Dr. Bawumia. Papa say as someone here catch them or say a way so irresponsible no the outcome of 2024 general election no I vindicated yen someone here can yen someone here can say Akufo Addo Bawumia ban so irresponsible useless no. We have been vindicated. Adadi Pefe, the party in power. Resources to be our own. You got everything in your hands. That's what me call election year 41. That's the yetrani a kase. Akufo Addo Bawumia ban. Irresponsible. Mose montiasi. Useless. Mose montiasi. Now no. Net2 TV. Eugene Boakye. So being MP, Okoye, and someone wakano, and yet different from and someone yatna ha yaka, and yet different. What you doing? Someone waka. Let us say, what you say, we've been consistent, and the yaka MPP for any Ghana for say. Can Ofori Atta obey who prison? Obey who prison, pen, I say one number wayale. Na can Ofori Atta ne go dem 1 year 2 years or best survive or better than we pay. He go die there. He go feed that you ube wan we them. Any ube wan we them. Because ultimately new man for boni ni enya we say. Omusu me there from where I sit no. So minti min kan bi bat me kwa de me hunu se Ghana ye din me hunu se Ghana aye din me hunu se Ghana jo from 2016 3 days today me hu video 2016 oba se no ye MPO so no minister video me se me hwehwe na ma ba bebo ne ka woni nkrofo gum ye pa na bo 2016 after election me hu se Ghana jo me hu se Ghana ye di Ghana jo from me de sana me hu no wo accuse mo na JFK Afenyo Markins mom 8 years ni mom na mumusu ekwanya modi Ghana fuafa so intimidation brutality ya akoso ewo moma ban mu mumusu mom enwe ya mu refi the last time na meti Honorable Harry na idrusu they see what parliament or say aba we ya yenema bebre especially parliament ya na me ka kire Professor Michael Kwe say president na wo set dia to ho no mo no ebe ha mo da achi bi o na senka NDC fo say omo betua mo so ka enka nyeni 2016 they see ya wo Ghana ha say minnim obi ewo mi kuro ma fida ase a after 2016 a olusu ye no ebe March June ho ni dan so nyina wo paaso esan so boso biem odwane anadwo da som odwane di firi ni fie NDC fo a omo mi kuro ma so kore ene afida ase 2016 after election anadwo omo dwane di firi kuro ho ebe se 1 week 2 weeks ansa na omo ba eniema mu dwoye no omo pa wo mo dan so esa so boso ya pa buo amedan so nyina enchansi nyina sei de ne yen hu Ghana ha after 2016 general election me nam kwan mu ameba me hu se Ghana dwo because na president Mahama akasa se de ekoso no ni nje hu wonpe ne ekoso no mu accuse say your revolution 8 years ni the Ghana for experience is more than military regime. It's more than revolution. 8 years ni the Ghana experience ya from no etini etian man ya kase ya pese kan independent ya pese kan independent no ni ya se de entina na ya ka pese kan independent 8 years ni the Ghana ya from no Afenyo Markin wo Ghana ha NCOP George Alex Mensa ekọ ogugiri na abufie ekọ kan ye se enipa ewu under President Akufo Addo no omo do so sin nipa wo mu wu ye under Wallace under military regime mukum nipa se emua mu attack nipa se emua mu attack nipa since 2016 ya NPP taking over this country mukum nipa te se emua mu attack nipa te se emua ene Afenyo Markin wusu ene JFK wusu musu eni afe na mu ba besu because baby amawia cast dia kogu baby amawia sika akogu they will come after you. They will come after all. Omo beba mo so one after the other. Omo beba ba beje. Me se be na mukro me hu se Ghana ye di. Me hu se Ghana jo. Me sana me hu se Ghana ye from. NDC for mo ye too disciplined. Mo ye too civilized. Mo ni ati abro so kura dodo. Na me sesa de mo ankasa mo leader ICT no President John Dramani Mahama ICT no enti awura mu nyina. Kwame mami Freddy Blay mi wi ameba President Mahama so me which one first John Mahama eno President Mahama kasa hwe President Mahama kasa ese oye president elect on take over when really o man no President Akufo Addo the Vice President Dr. Bawumia ma sheda ama mo krofo so lutu warehouse omuntu to government vehicles en fanko and NDC for akosi eche so mu protect and amode mo ho agim ena mudi nkwase asem ena president Akufo Addo aka na no atum ena otewo no mo a na se mo kona se we mehu ayi drip sa machines ya mo tua be se 5% at 10% na mo tudi ko na se NDC fo se omo nhwemu e ma warehouse ahodo state warehouses ahodo government properties egu ho cars egu omo ma mo fa nko na so omo no mu bo animu a president akara no atum onkasa ni akasa ha NDC fo no but at the NDC for Ghana ye witness ye 2016 no NDC fo nyemu quarter I don't know say be after 7 January number started there minim say be because Ghana ye di Ghana ye di amame Ghana ye di and Ghana ye di kura dodo say NDC fo so mo be sorry no mo tua mo so ka Charles Tego ni Tego hwan no a utif ayi hwan ma akromfo na mugu presidency hwan ma akromfo te semo say obi NPP ni bia ma obi akwan say oba be retrieve state property state vehicle NDC ni bia NPP ni bia ma obi akwan masa mamemu atwam mo ye irrelevant Ghana for render so useless Ghana for I render so useless 8 years ni Mama president and not president Mahama Kasai. Yam bonye ni enko yanim. Enemi wo video super mi be yama Ghana fo ahwe. Abonefo sem ya mu di 2016. Omo na mo kutama eni asekan eni abo ena na chase government officials. 2016. Omo di emma eni asekan eni chese akonti ba ni abo and a chase government officials. Untimi mpie. Eslo usu abankrofo pa mama kwakọ se wo fie ne ma usu. Me say how akumsin wo hefa wadwane se de wo ya wo court a wo nya MPO na parliament ena ne kotu article subsection any cross any hwan na protect you. They said yes, so we so na wo court na wo court na wo de obi abebo ne kro no no a wa ba bebo kro no na mo man ase no ye communication minister through Kennedy GVG any contract ahodo kro no na wa mabon wo de wa jimi ntino o court a muntra ba.
My brothers and sisters, I come before you tonight as your president-elect to again express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support. My brothers and sisters, I come before you tonight as your president-elect to again express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support in Saturday's election. This is a moment of hope, unity and opportunity for our great nation. However, I must address a matter of urgent importance tonight. Transitions from one administration to another create the impression of a vacuum of power, and certain people are easily compelled to act in their own parochial interest instead of the national interest. I've received reports of attacks on state offices and installations. While it's unclear who is behind these attacks, I condemn them in no uncertain terms. These acts must cease immediately. As I said during my post-declaration speech, I urge the youth not to vent their frustration in criminal enterprise. Instead, they must channel their anger and frustration into the positive enterprise of resetting and rebuilding our beloved nation. I urge all our citizens to remain calm and avoid actions that could harm our institutions and our democracy. We have fought hard for change, and now is the time to demonstrate our commitment to rebuilding the Ghana we want through unity and understanding. Because state power is still in the hands of the present administration, I call on the President and the security agencies to act decisively to curb the ongoing acts of lawlessness immediately. I thank you, my fellow citizens, and may God bless our homeland, Ghana. My brothers and sisters, I come before you tonight as your president-elect to again express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support in Saturday's election. This is a moment of hope, unity and opportunity for our great nation. However, I must address a matter of urgent importance tonight. Transitions from one administration to another create the impression of a vacuum of power, and certain people are easily compelled to act in their own parochial interest instead of the national interest.
President no, they say no, or your commander-in-chief, Ghana Armed Forces. The vice president and so Ghana Police Service. On the head. And to use sa powers now one more. No one stop it, one fee say air cost or one tiasi. But Afenyo Markins, JFK. During Electoral Commission registration exercise, no minister, member of parliament, otutuo, enye nyankopon na boa ye ne kogu obi container mu a otutuo registration exercise otutuo Afenyo Markins o ye press conference NPP mo condemn ye no yesi yen kan ni wachi a wo se agoro no ede Afenyo Markins wo condemn ye hawa kumsin say oba besia ya wutiri mu adwen nyina adwen bone awudie na ya wutiri mu ma wo condemn ye never. Yes, ya wo obisi kan e won constituency or what power nti NDC parliamentary candidate or Lokeno na akoyo or me say how akumsi de nyame na atwa ne ka or Loke maame no e ma ne da police cells ade a chen no and so abonefo sem awudie ne nkwasiasem madam ha wakumsin aya wabu awutu breku sa wutu hwan se nya breku sa he is enya asem ketua ya wuru bi da se NPP party a wo free muo empanifo ewom eba abonte be condemn aniema brutality ni attacks intimidation ya ha wa kumsi ya won constituency da ya wuru bi da but enne ahomane chire wonsa chire mo kon age chire mo nanu musu mawe poto no ene musu mawe poto no musu me se me de mi hu Ghana akwa na hadwo Ghana adwo em se ne ade a chise nyina da na anitie ne ani biye ba because 2016 de na utimu se eye Jimmy pa Jimmy fo pa na ti gu monten ohu videos ana eba womu hu se NDC ni wo ka wo de na mukromo a ni ye power bo ni ye de aba ni ye de bubom ni ye de brum na nkrofo hu moja nkrofo ntimi mpie nkrofo akadem nkrofo dwane afiri wo mu fie but enne mo de hyehye mo dem mo ne mo yire no mo ne mo ma MP Ben ya attack no minister Ben ya attack no akromfo ye mu gu Jubilee House presidential staff wan ya attack no DC Ben ya attack no mukoko bie assembly warehouse na muko lutu wan mo ne ma na maka se NDC fo na aba ho mo so na mo wakisi no mo na mo wakisi no e na mo de bo sa akro no Mama mi Freddy Blay 2016 papa panimu asema wakan that time no yet national chairman omutu pa afokomu no Freddy Blay watna parliament salembele mogabi ena wokoye no de beye mu ano de kodi NPP achi ena obeye national chairman NPP after election ya wo mu wini ya NPP for atidie gu NDC for so chesi wamu bru wamu prepra wamu Freddy Blay se obi empira obi a na aban na dwapade no mu protect o se obi empira obi a NDC mu ankasa se father for all na dimutrim pa ya kra fam hanu ma yetie se nka NDC lusu ya nka ya bebe dwuma biem ha na kamba yi ni kura to fon you je be fesi wa yeti wei enka yetu enka bebe dwuma biem se NDC elusu ya ke betimi abadwuma but NPP station bay ena wo mu nkwa adwuma wontumi mu kwa adwuma o ma na FM kwa adwuma NPP stations a what Ghana e bia ni hono ma yatum e bia ni hono ma yakwa attack wo mo NPP station bay enkwasi asem ya wontumi ga yiti radio so a okeka before election yi ohine bay President Mahama sasa akwani he would deal with him otina radio so a kwasi asem okeka ye ensu station wo muntumu but senka eye NDC ne lusu ye ena NPP ba power enka station kuro na wotina so ka asa kwasi asem no enka banank ya tum mama me Fred Blaine yenko papa Nilate the NDC is a more civilized it's true civilized party it's true pa was it Maxwell Akpabli was it don't talk too much please just watch the show on 7 January after say because as a MPP for who almost say Ghana ne dia you dia without them there's no Ghana na mo je fa hu dia ma Ghana ene do je fa hu dia kra de ma Ghana kra ne party kuda agu don ho je fa hu dia de ma o man Ghana no kwa me nkroma ono kra ne party kura akokọ no o ma kunare o ma to akokọ no o ma re na mo ye ya Ghana ye mo dia history book dia na yesunya fa mo ho ya Ghana ye mo dia mo ye dia ya Ghana ye mo dia Ghana no dia na Ghana ye mo dia ye nkoti emra ho abusuafo ye nhwe Fred Blame.
Since Monday particularly, supporters of the NPP besieging a number of offices of state institutions, demanding that the officials there, political appointees mainly, vacate their offices. We've seen some near violence and all that. Your thoughts on this matter?
Well, I'm not too sure specifically what you want to refer to, but there have been instances where it's not an issue of people going to public offices and state institutions to drive out people and take over. No. In some cases, particularly at places like the Harbour, DVLA, Peduasi Lodge, polling booths and so forth. You know, in some cases the people had to go there to protect state property, to ensure that looting stops. I've been told that in some public offices and so forth, all of a sudden those who were working there have refused to come to work. Not because they have been intimidated or been chased out, but they themselves have suspected that maybe because how they came there was purely based on them being members of the party then in power. Maybe some people will chase them out, then they've left those public places just to the wind, just to the weather, and people have gone there to go and protect it. Some of our members have gone there to go and protect it.
I know that the party and a number of top officials of the NPP have condemned these acts, but beyond the condemnation, what will the party do? Because it seems that's not working.
Well, it's not a question of condemnation. I've told you that it's not some instances I won't condemn. If they were there to protect property, assets.
How do they protect property? They are not security officials.
Look, at the Harbour, people are stealing cars. People are carrying away items that should attract duties and so forth. Containers being taken away without going through the right processes and so forth. I think we should be bold enough to say that stop what you are doing.
But it is not the duty of NPP.
I was here for any way. No, a national chairman. Enti eneno NDC for the only right. Say state properties, state institutions. On beko protect state properties. Say they no mo Ghana gas no. Omu di only right. Omu di omu NDC for need that right no. So on beko habo. Say auction cars e gu hanu no, confiscated vehicles ne gu hanu no. akronfo na omugu Jubilee House no a omabie garages na omu confiscated vehicles ade ko hono no omu days etwam enuntiri cars na egu hono no omu kwa protect habo Ghana ye habo sa wodo na ye wo no NDC for ni right because already ni yenimu say Jubilee House of Work NPP for penny for ebie car garages ahodo bebre wo Ghana ha enkrofo cars ya duty ye twade to so a wo ntimi ntua no na wo mo twie obi car ya wabo ho ka edi aba ya obo ho ka be say bia $5,000 $10,000 $15,000 $20,000 odi bebedura ni amani duty best over 100,000 150,000 80,000 went me antua no next state na confiscate enti ene omo bie garages enti se no a yenim so omo ya akromfo no emu nyina omo wiat mi di ko vice president office no NDC for ni right such institutions no on be ko say state properties e ho no no omo kwa protect it because omo ya NDC for hey gentility no kura wa ma fa no kura doso ni am ka se du ba bia na me humu mo NDC for kura me humu slay kings too much slay kings some ayam de kura dodo they have every right because for him say they are armed robbers omo wia wo man no and omo last days kura omo guso omo lutu exactly na wasa wo twen
yo it for we and some ababeto yepono so make out say so we subscribe ya bomodi say obe subscribe to channel na fi we like the video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma Ofori so na when you be here na wo hu and some ekoso e wo Ghana memu ha also betimi achere wadwen afaye some we nyira ho e wo comment box ni mu mobati minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.